Igbo mụrụ nze mụọ ọzọ ma mụkwa odogwu ekene m unu nke onye chiri ya zere. Welcome to the Basics Comprehensive Igbo Language Course, a detailed and well-researched Igbo course. This complete, extensive, and resourceful Igbo language course is for all levels of learners, especially those who want to build a solid foundation in Igbo language. My name is Chukwu Onyemechi, the founder and leader of the IgboLingua community. As an Igbo course instructor, author, and content creator, I am passionate about promoting Igbo language by researching the hidden facts, uncovering secrets of the Igbo language, and sharing them with people like you through my high-quality courses, practice tests, Igbo books, one-on-one classes, and social media content. As a matter of fact, I have spent over a decade teaching Igbo language in schools and online, carrying out research about the Igbo language, and contributing to projects that promote Igbo language and culture. And I am so excited to share my knowledge with you in this course. By the time you complete this course, you will understand the origin and identity of the Igbo people, including ancestral, biblical, and geographical perspectives. You will learn the 36 Igbo alphabets, that is ABD, the vowels, the tones, the pronunciation rules, the consonant, and then you also learn the factors that affect spoken Igbo language. You will learn how to accurately pronounce every Igbo letter and sound, and even those that don't exist in other languages. You will gain a solid understanding of Igbo tone marks. You will also learn to distinguish and pronounce Igbo words with identical spellings but different tones and meanings. You will also build your reading, listening, and comprehension skills through the numerous quizzes, series of assignments, and practice tests embedded in this course. By the end of this course also, you will develop confidence to use Igbo in real-world context through practical examples, interactive lessons, and clear explanations. From the first section to the last section of this course, I will take you through key essential Igbo topics, focusing on helping you to boost your Igbo language skills, build a solid foundation, and become a proficient Igbo language user. You will start by learning about Igbo origin and ancestry, and I will take you patiently through the biblical evidence indicating Igbo ancestry from the ancient Hebrew, partly the modern-day Jewish Israel. After that, we will study the Igbo orthography comprising of 36 unique letters known as ABD or Mkpụrụedemede Igbo, including its divisions, groupings, pronunciations, sounds, and how to form Igbo vocabularies using those letters. Next, we will delve into Igbo tone markings and how homonyms can be differentiated using the proper akaroda or tone marks. After that, we will then study the major functions of na in Igbo language and how essential it is in sentence formation. Finally, we will review the entire course, and I will help you with the next steps to continue learning and applying Igbo language. This course is right for you if you want to strengthen your connection with your roots and enhance your fluency in Igbo. This course is recommended for Igbos born outside Igbo land who want to learn or improve their Igbo despite being away from their homeland. This course is also good for those who want to keep their heritage alive while living in foreign countries. This course is perfect for half-caste Igbos who want to reconnect with their native Igbo language and culture. This course is also for you if you're a language enthusiast or someone who loves learning new languages. This course is ideal for those working in cultural or diplomatic roles who want to engage with Igbo-speaking communities. I recommend this course for primary school pupils and secondary school students, as well as teachers, university students, professors, and researchers who want to understand the foundations and the basics of Igbo language so that they can build solid foundation in their Igbo language skill. This course is as well recommended for aspiring or professional language translators who wish to expand their expertise to include Igbo language. Lastly, I also recommend this course for you if you're a traveler, a tourist, a missionary, businessman or businesswoman, foreign professional or diplomat working in Igbo-speaking communities or teams. There is no prior knowledge required for you to take this course. All you need to get started now is the passion to learn Igbo language so that you can read, write, hear, and speak Igbo proficiently. And then you also need to be willing to practice regularly and apply what you learn daily. With extensive course resources, series of quizzes, assignment and practice tests, this course contains all you need to learn and lay solid Igbo language foundation and boost your proficiency in no distant time. While you take the course, I will additionally support you by attending to your questions and offering free regular tutorials on IgboLingua social media platforms free of charge. The ball is now in your court. Feel free to take a look at the course description, watch the preview course videos to have a taste. Then proceed to enroll now and join me in exploring Igbo language. Kodi.